Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to erase an HP laptop. First, it is crucial to back up all your important files and data to an external drive or cloud service. Next, make sure you unlink any personal accounts, like your Microsoft or HP ID, from the device. Finally, always plug your laptop into a power source, as the erasure process can take a significant amount of time and should not be interrupted. To begin, open your laptop's main settings, which you can usually find through the Start menu. From there, look for the Update and Security section on the left, and then click on Recovery in the panel. You will then see an option titled Reset this PC under the Reset section. Select this to start the process of wiping your device clean and preparing it for the next steps. Next, you will be presented with two main options: Keep My Files or Remove Everything. For a complete and secure erasure, choose Remove Everything. This ensures no personal data remains on the device, making it ideal for selling or giving away. Carefully confirm your selection to proceed with the full factory reset and begin the thorough cleaning. After choosing to remove everything, you will see another prompt asking if you want to just remove My Files or remove files and clean the drive. For the highest level of security, select Remove Files and clean the drive fully. This option overwrites your data multiple times, making it incredibly difficult to recover. This thorough process can take anywhere from 2 to 8 hours, depending on your drive size, so plan accordingly for the full duration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.